Good day, grade 3 scientists. Welcome to our lesson for Science 3, Quarter 1, Week 6, Day 4. Our topic for today is Materials and their uses, safety practices in waste disposal. Objectives. By the end of this lesson, learners should be able to enumerate safety practices that should be observed when disposing, reusing, and recycling waste materials. Activating prior knowledge. Look at the following pictures of recycled products and ask what they think it's made of. For the first picture, and the second picture, having seen the pictures, where can we use recycled products? That's great. Recycled products can be used at home and in school as planters and furniture and more. Lesson purpose intention. Which of the following are harmful effects of improper trash disposal? Describe the images above. Number 1. Based on the pictures, what happened to us if we don't dispose of our trash properly? That's great. It includes sickness and injuries. Number 2. What can we do to avoid this? That goods. It is by proper waste disposal. After properly disposing of waste, what should we do with our hands? The expected answer is to wash our hands. Number 4. Why do you think it is important to wash our hands? That's right. To avoid sickness that we can get from the waste. Washing our hands is one of the safety practices that we should observe when disposing, reusing, and recycling waste materials. Lesson language practice. Safety precaution. Safety precaution means doing something to keep yourself and others safe before something bad happens. What are the synonyms of the word precaution in English or Tagalog? That's good. It is a warning, safety tip, or babala. Reading the key idea stem. For Activity 4, what are the safety practices that should be observed when disposing, reusing, and recycling waste materials? Let's read the following instructions. Look at the pictures and describe the different safety precautions. Write your observation by describing the pictures in the space provided. Picture number 1. A person wearing gloves while handling garbage. It is a safety precaution for rotting waste. Picture number 2. Use plastic bottles turned into a flower pot. It is reusing waste. Picture number 3. Color-coded recycling bins, paper, plastic, or glass. This is recycling waste. Number 4. A child washing hands after throwing trash. It is a safety precaution. Number 5. Old clothes sewn into a tote bag. It is reusing waste. Picture 6. Cans, bottles, and newspapers in a recycling truck. It is recycling waste. Among the pictures above, which shows a safety precaution for the disposal of rotting waste, for reusing waste, or for recycling waste? Write your answer in the table below. Here are the correct answers. Developing understanding of the key idea STEM. What safety precaution is shown in the pictures? Let's read them. They are proper waste disposal, use of a protective gear, washing hands after handling waste, sanitizing hands after handling waste, cleaning jars before reusing, cleaning bottles and cans before recycling, and asking guardians help in handling scissors and other sharp objects. Deepening understanding of the key idea STEM. Why is it important to observe safety precaution when handling and disposing waste? The expected answers are: Number 1. Safety precautions help to keep us and our friends safe from getting hurt or sick. Number 2. We help to keep our surroundings clean and healthy. Making generalizations and abstraction. Why the safety precaution is important? Number 1. We wear gloves when throwing rotten garbage. We do this so our hands don't touch harmful germs or bacteria. Number 2. We wash our hands after touching dirty things. We do this to remove germs and avoid getting hurt. Number 3. We use separate bins for recyclable and non-recyclable trash. We do this to help with recycling and protect the environment. Number 4. We reuse plastic containers instead of throwing them away. We do this to avoid waste and save resources. For number 5, we keep sharp or broken glass in a separate container. We do this to prevent injury or cuts from broken glasses. For evaluation, Enumerate the safety precautions that you need to do in making a pen holder from recycled plastic bottles. Here are the possible answers. Great job today, everyone! You listened well, share your thoughts, and work hard. Keep up the good work. Always remember to read, learn, observe, and have fun. See you next time!